This will be the elevator here at the Comfort Suites here in Springfield, Illinois. Huh, interesting. We have here is another long. Oh, the fans blink. Let's go to 3. See? Long. You caught that, people? Let's go to 1. Check this out. If it were closed. That's the old bumper. And it does not close when you push the button. We don't like that. It has a hard time changing the floor indicator numbers. These are some for the monitor buttons. Okay, the door close button now because back time. It's a very nice elevator. Look at that. Long. Interesting phone. I love how they put the call cancel button right here. Anyway, that's the floor indicator. Capacity 2,500. Way up there, certificate inspection. Quirky longs. These, even though these buttons look like innovation decorator, they're actually not. There's a form of monitor. But yeah, this is a nice elevator. I have never seen a floor indicator on top of the. Well, it's been a while since I've seen one of those, but it's not that common you see a floor indicator like that. Along. But yeah, it's got a nice hotel. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.